in Bucksnort, which is funny and fun and cool, and the drive here was gorgeous. Hi, I'm Shalane, this is Dean, and we are Grassroots Living, and this is how we live our love. Okay, so we are at Bucksnort Park. We decided to stop here for a second. We actually didn't know it'd be pretty. We stopped because it was Bucksnort, and we watch a TV show called Bless This Mess that's based in Bucksnort. Actually, Bucksnort, Nebraska, which I don't even know if there is one, but we get a kick out of the fact that we're stopping at Bucksnort, and so that's why we stopped. And it's actually super pretty here.
Well, yeah, we were going to stay here, but I noticed on freecampsites.net it said it was closed, closed to camping. As you can see from the sign right there, it clearly says it is.
So this place is free, isn't it?
It is.
But it doesn't have electricity.
Right.
And the place we stayed last night had electricity. But anyway, we're in Bucksnort, which is funny and fun and cool, and the drive here was gorgeous.
Yeah. And we need to bless this mess.
We need to. I see what you did there. Okay guys, we just entered this super cute little town. What is Warrens? Wisconsin. Warren?
Yeah, Warrens, Wisconsin.
We just entered Warrens, Wisconsin. Super cute, and we're going to the Wisconsin Discovery Center. Wisconsin Cranberry Discovery Center? Wisconsin Cranberry Discovery Center. It looks super cute, super fun. I'm hoping to have some cranberry bread.
I think it's $5 to go in and see the museum.
Yeah, for the museum, but we're gonna do some shopping and maybe have a cranberry shake or ice cream and some cranberry bread. So this looks like super fun. Let's go. Okay, so as of the time that we're here, which is July 2020, the ice cream was only $2 a scoop. It's a pretty little scoop. I showed you. And I have to stop recording and start eating because they're eating all of the ice cream. Is this your shop?
Yes, it is. Yes.
Well,
yes.
It's so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And we were very glad to have you here. And
is there anything you want to tell anybody that might be watching?
Everybody come to Wisconsin's Cranberry Country right here in Warrens, Wisconsin. You won't be disappointed.
Yeah, you guys, that was super cool. That was definitely worth a stop.
I wish that they had samples though. I would love to.
Yeah, well, she said apparently they usually have samples because of the COVID. They're not doing samples right now, but and during harvest time they have bread, which is what we came for, cranberry bread. Well, I did personally, and they didn't have any, but they said harvest time. They do, so make it up here. Hi guys, we just went just a few miles down the road from the cranberry place, and we're in Tomah, maybe Wisconsin. I see their water tower and it says Tomah Cranberry Country, something.
I think so.
And now we're gonna go have some cheese. We're at Humbird Cheese
Humbird.
Factory. Look, there's a giant
It came highly recommended, so.
mouse somewhere. Yeah, let's go get some cheese and sausage because I'm starving. Okay, we hope that you enjoyed that adventure. It was a long day that day, but it was a lot of fun. I hope you guys had fun going to the cranberry place with us. It made me want to go have some cranberry French toast because we didn't get our cranberry bread there. So a few days after that, my sister bought me some cranberry bread and we made some French toast with it, and it was
delicious.
so good. The cheese place was really good. Well, it had some really good cheese, but you know, you go to a cheese place for samples.
Just to try all the different things.
We do anyway.
Yeah.
But you know,
We
COVID.
always buy something.
Oh,
but-
of course, we always do buy cheese.
But it's
when
fun
we're
to
there
try
'cause-
different cheeses, you know.
Yeah. But you know, COVID shut down the whole sample thing everywhere. But we enjoyed some cheese and sausage there, and then we went for a long, beautiful drive to Potawatomi Carter Casino. We've been there before. Deanson did some really great drone footage there. So that's what you saw at the very end. We will be talking more about Potawatomi Carter in future episodes. It's one of our favorite boondocking places.
Free
So-
electric
Yeah,
for free.
Yeah,
I mean, it's,
free electric for free.
how do you get better than that?
Yeah. Well, when it's free electric, you kind of do want to say it twice.
Yeah, you do.
It's good stuff. Okay. But yeah, we'll have more about that and other free camping, kind of in the UP or like the upper. What am I trying to say?
Northern part of Wisconsin.
And
Upper
Minnesota.
Peninsula, yeah.
We'll have some information about some free campsites coming up. So again, thank you so much for coming on today's journey with us. We have so much more coming up. As you can tell, we're trying a little bit of new format with you guys, and it's a little different, a little rough, but we're kind of getting the hang of it, and we're just glad that you're with us. So, and to do anything else, subscribe if you like it and want to come on some more journeys with us, adventures with us in the future. Subscribe, like, share. Anything else?
That's it.
Okay. Until next time, this is Grassroots Living reminding you to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love.
We're thinking of you. We'll catch you next time.
Peace out.
Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. Is a good